Hi, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, mag-e-intro muna ako para sa compilation ng mga pinasend kong videos na galing po sa inyo. Although yung iba, di ko kakilala. Kapal moks magpasend ng video greetings. So, ayun, maraming salamat. So, ayun, panoorin natin.
Happy birthday, Kit! Masasabi ko lang, stay pretty. Yes, kailangan maganda tayo lagi. Charot! Stay pretty and stay humble. See you soon!
Happy birthday, Kit Kit! Happy birthday, Kit Kit! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kit Kit! Happy birthday, 25 years old. She's now 25 years old. From Igor and Helen.
Hi, this is Vagaban Igorot. Happy birthday kay Ma'am Kit Patricio. More birthdays to come and God bless. From Russia.
Hi! Happy birthday, Kit Kit, Ikat. More birthdays to come and enjoy your day in Russia and hope to see you in the Philippines.
Happy birthday. Yan, matanda ka na. Charot. Yun, wish you all the best and sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad mo. Andyan ka na, be strong and be healthy always. Pray always kay God. Happy birthday.
Hi, Kit Kit! Shootang in-advance! Happy birthday to you! More birthday to come. Tsaka sana pumangit ka na kasi masyado kang maganda. Happy birthday, sister! Bye-bye!
Greetings all the way from Bahrain. I just want to greet you happy birthday, Miss Kit Kit Banang. Wish you all the best. Stay safe, stay humble. God bless.